Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am drawing a beautiful face of girl. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to draw with me. You know that drawing is a beautiful art from that can capture the world around us in a unique and expressive way. It's a way of communicating ideas, emotions without words, and it can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. There is something magical about the way a simple pencil or a piece of charcoal can transform a blank piece of paper into a whole new world. Drawing is like magic. Make pictures with your hands just like stories. Sure, drawing a girl face is like making a circle for the head. Then draw a circle for the eye and a covered line for the eyebrows and a little line for the nose. Finally, draw a simple with a covered line for the mouth and add some lines about the eyes and mouth for details. That it's you have a draw simple girl face. Thank you so much you watching my video. If you like, then like and share it. Thank you.